Welcome to Craft Catalog. Before we begin, imagine this. You pick up a simple piece of wood. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, but hidden inside that one piece is a project waiting to happen. It could become a shelf, a tray, a box, a stand, or a piece of decor that transforms a corner of your home. Woodworking is not about perfection. It is about discovering what you can create with just a few tools and a little guidance. Today, I am sharing 55 easy woodworking projects every beginner should try, along with the essential skills you naturally learn as you build each one. Let us start with the simplest projects because simple wins build confidence. One of the easiest things you can make is a wooden phone stand. It teaches cutting, light sanding, and shaping. Next, try a basic desk organizer for pens and small items. It teaches simple assembly and helps you understand how different pieces fit together. Another classic beginner project is a picture frame. It introduces angles, sanding, and light finishing. A small wall shelf is another perfect beginner project. It helps you practice measurement, straight cuts, and secure mounting. After that, try a key holder for your entryway. This teaches drilling, spacing, and layout. A wooden tray is also beginner-friendly and introduces edge, smoothing, and finishing. Next, make a simple crate or storage box. Boxes are perfect for beginners because they teach right-angle construction and assembling multiple panels. If you want something decorative, try a wooden sign. Create a plain board and customize it with paint, stain, or wood burning. Once those are complete, you are ready for slightly larger projects. A small nightstand shelf is a great next step. It teaches layout, strength, and equal spacing. A small two-step stool is another project that builds confidence and introduces weight-bearing design. A simple bench for your entryway helps you practice sturdier assembly. Woodworking becomes even more fun when you create kitchen projects. Try a basic cutting board using simple pine or hardwood scraps. Build a spice rack to practice spacing. Make a cookbook holder or tea organizer. These projects teach sanding, layout, and finishing in a practical way. For home decor projects, try a wooden candle holder. Create a simple wall rack for coats. Build a floating night shelf next to your bed. Make a blanket ladder for your living room. A wooden centerpiece tray is a great way to learn staining and protective finishes. If you want outdoor ideas, build a planter box. It teaches simple box construction and weather-resistant finishing. Create a birdhouse or a garden tool holder. Outdoor pieces help you understand durability and protective coatings. Another set of useful projects includes workshop organization builds. Make a clamp rack. Build a drill charging station. Create a scrap wood holder. Make a small workbench or a tool tote. These projects teach stability, joining, and layout. Now you can start exploring more detailed, but still easy projects. Try a small end table. A simple table teaches leveling, sturdy support, and final finishing. Next, build a wooden magazine holder. Try a shoe rack made from simple boards. Make a geometric wall shelf or a hexagon display shelf. These projects teach creativity and design. You can also explore creative crafting ideas. Make a jewelry organizer. Build a headphone stand. Create a desk riser. Make a drawer divider for your kitchen or bathroom. Build a simple wine rack. Create a wooden tissue box cover. These projects teach layout, assembly, and clean finishing. What makes these 55 ideas so powerful for beginners is that each project adds a skill without overwhelming you. Measurement becomes more consistent. Cutting becomes smoother. Sanding becomes more natural. Finishing becomes easier with each new project. Confidence grows without you even noticing. Remember that woodworking is progress, not perfection. You do not need expensive tools or advanced techniques to begin. A few boards, a saw, a sander, and basic screws and glue are enough to create dozens of useful, beautiful items. As you complete more projects, something starts to change. You begin to understand wood grain. You start recognizing which boards are straight. You learn how to control your cuts, and you discover which types of finishes you prefer. The best part of these beginner-friendly ideas is that they help you find your style. You might enjoy making decor. You might enjoy building practical storage items. You might enjoy simple furniture, or you might prefer outdoor projects. The variety helps you explore everything woodworking can offer. As you try these 55 project ideas, remember to enjoy the process. Every board you cut makes you better. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every finished piece boosts your confidence. And every project builds your skill set in a natural, enjoyable way. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this guide and want more beginner-friendly woodworking ideas, simple tutorials, and weekly inspiration, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and explore our growing library of projects. Keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.